back to my YouTube channel. This is 6 aerobic step workouts part 3. If you haven't seen part 1, part 2, you can check it out on the playlist 6 aerobic step workouts. I'll be including the link on the description box below. So we'll be using one of my favorite workout equipments, the aerobic step, the stepper, the fitness step. I've been using this since 2018, since I started my weight loss journey. You can buy this from any of your local sports store or online. I bought this online from Shopee for 1,500 pesos, including the shipping. If you don't have this, you can use a bench or the bottom part of your stairs. Just make sure it is stable and durable enough to carry your weight. We'll be doing a lot of on and off the stepper, and there won't be no jumping, no rough moves, but please step accordingly to avoid untoward incident. And for added resistance, you can use your dumbbells, kettlebells, weight belts, and resistance band. So get your stuff ready. This is 6 aerobic step workouts part 3. Tara, workout tayo.
Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
So this is 6 aerobic step workouts part 3. We'll be doing floor exercise using the aerobic steps. So first up is knee touch. And second rest interval. Next up is mountain climber. Second rest interval. Next up is knee to same arm. Second rest interval. Next up is knee to opposite arm. Second rest interval. Next up is side tap. Second rest interval. Next up, last but not the least, the step jump. About it, the 6 aerobic step workouts part 3. Please stay tuned for parts 4, 5, and 6. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye-bye.